How to override object methods. Method overriding is a feature of the subclass or child class to give a different or a specific implementation of the method that it has inherited from the superclass or the parent class. So an example of this would be, suppose we have the class shapes. We have defined the attribute name, and we have defined the method area and given it as pass. Now we have the now we have the class square, which with the which inherits shapes. Here again we will define here again we'll write the init method, and we will write self.name is equal to name and self.size is equal to size. And now I'll write the area. So I'll now write the area method. So I'll write print sides into sides, because it's side square. Area of a square is side square. So I'll just print sides into side, or you could do the power sides too, whichever way you want to write it, or you can just write it double star and then 2. So self.size raised to 2. Now I'll make another class circle, and this is also inheriting shapes, and in this we will again write the init function, and we instead of side I'll write radius. And now in the method area I will write pi r squared. So it will be 3.14 into self.radius raised to 2. Or you could use the math library, and you can use the exact value of pi. This is just an example. So now we will create the object of the classes. So we write s is equal to square, and we give the name of the shape as square, and we give the side length of the side, we give 4. And now we'll give the we'll make the objects for we'll make the object for circle. So it will be c is equal to circle, and in the name place we give circle, and we will give the radius as 5. Now let's work both of the now let's call both of their area function. So s dot area and c dot area, and instead of having to call the init function and give it a name specifically, I can just write super from the super class, the super keyword, and then dot init, and then the name of the method is square. So that means it will take the super class and the attribute given in it, that is the name, there it will set it to square. Same thing we'll do with circle, and instead of square we write circle. And now we don't need to write in the while creating the object square and circle. So you just have to write the side and the radius. So now when you run this code, you will get the area of square is 16, and the area of the circle is 78.5. This is how you do you have overriding of object methods in Python.